If you followed some of the video guides under my paintings, you should now be familiar with the basic tools of the app. One of the modes of drawing that we use to get better in drawing is the trace mode. This mode is what it implies. It allows you to have a reference image that you can draw over. The great advantage of digital is that the feature of trace goes a long way beyond what you may know about trace drawing with traditional materials. You have access to the color picker, which allows you to pick the exact colors of the underlying image, and apply this to your drawing. We use this to transfer the colors of the underlying image of the sunset of the birds, nestled on the branch of the tree. The first process of drawing involves using the shade brush to color the background, and match it close to the underlying image. We switch back and forth on the drawing and the traced image by using the controls on the trace bar. Adjust the size of the brush accordingly, to get the shades for the background. You will see that the top background color is fairly uniform and large, so a large brush size was used. As you work your way down, you will see the areas around the sun have some details. A smaller brush size was used to get the details while using the color picker, and comparing the reference image with the drawing. We use the single tap mode on the brush dialog and select the line tool to do the distinct circular sun. We could have drawn this by hand, but this was a very quick approach. The next part involved doing the tree. The task is made easy since we are just using one brush color. Again, the line brush was used to do the main trunks of the tree. Notice that I approximate the size of the bigger tree trunks using the right brush size. Don't worry if it's not an exact match, you simply build up the width by going over it again. For the thinner branches, I decided to reduce the density to give it some depth compared to, say, the darker colors of the main tree structure. I continue reducing the brush size to do the smaller branches, and zoom in to do the details. There are specks of leaves dotted around the tree which I simply used the brush and scribbled around it. The beauty of landscape paintings is that you can be more free with your strokes. The final touches just involved working with your drawing and adding various tweaks to improve the drawing. The whole drawing took about 40 minutes. But you should take your time and know that you are going to get better as you keep practicing. We'll bring another fun drawing next time. In the meantime, please check the hundreds of tutorials that come with the Paintology app under the tutorials section.